Hello. I'm sorry that I'm not with you today. I hope that you found the video on the newspaper at least helpful. Um, if you have questions, please let the teacher know so she can pass them on to me. Now, here is some news about the SOL coming up in the spring. It's a reading SOL, so you're going to, as you would anticipate, be reading passages and answering questions about them. There are a couple of wrinkles here this year, though. Number one, the texts that you will be reading are all paired. That is, you will end up reading two of them, and you will have to answer questions, many of which will compare the two answers, or excuse me, the two pieces of reading. In addition, there may be multiple correct answers on the test. So if you have a question that has two correct answers, you need to select both correct answers. On the test, you will not be receiving instruction on how many correct answers there are. So when you read a question, there might be one correct answer, there might be two, there might be three, and there might be four. In order to get credit, you need to get the answers exactly correct. So if there are three correct answers and you only select two, well, you will not get credit for a correct answer. If there are two correct answers and you select three, again, you will not get credit for correct answers. So that's, I think, going to make the reading test a little more difficult than we might expect. So today, what I'm going to have the teacher hand to you are four paired texts. And what I would like you to do is to read those four paired texts and then write down 5 similarities between the two and 5 differences, so that you can begin to understand what those similarities and differences are relative to the type of literature it is, relative to the message that the literature has, and relative to how the literature gets that message across. So if you be thinking about those 3 things, you should be able to come up with 5 differences for each of these 4 paired texts. Please remember why you're doing this. You're doing this so that you will be better prepared to compare texts when you take the SOL. These are also the texts that will be used on your upcoming benchmark, so if you spend time today doing a good job, you should be very well prepared for the benchmark. With that, I will leave you to it. And again, I'm sorry I'm not there today. I hope you're having a good day, and I will see you all on Monday. Thank you. Bye-bye.